In this episode, we'll guide you through replacing the ear cushions of your Fairbuds XL. Chapter 4. How to replace the ear cushion. Before we get started, it's very important to hold onto the speckled part of the ear cushion, not the part that contains the battery. If you hold onto the wrong part, you could accidentally break it, so be sure to hold onto the speckled part as you twist the ear cushion to remove it. To remove the ear cushion, you'll need to twist it in a specific direction. To figure out which way to twist, check the side of the device you're working on. Let's figure this out together. Place the Fairbuds XL on a flat surface in front of you, with the speakers and ear cushions closer to you. Now for the right side, you'll need to twist the ear cushion away from you. For the left side, you'll need to twist it towards you. As you twist, you should hear a click when the ear cushion releases. Once the old ear cushion is removed, it's time to attach the new one. First, align the new ear cushion with the hooks on the inside of the device. You'll want to make sure the hooks are securely engaged in the holes on the ear cushion. To fasten the new ear cushion in place, you'll need to twist it in the opposite direction that you used to remove the old one. Again, be sure to hold onto the speckled part as you twist. You should hear a click when the ear cushion is securely in place. And that's it, just a few simple steps to replace an ear cushion or two on your Fairbuds XL.